to another video. Today we're going to try to make the Spark a little bit better to travel with. So, I mean, this is the travel combo that it comes with, but you know, you have to have the gimbal upright, and it's pretty much exposed to anything. I mean, scratches, things like that, while it's traveling inside a bag. This is pretty good, don't get me wrong, but it could be better, and I wish it had a gimbal guard. So, I could go out and buy one, or I could 3D print one. So I'm going to try to 3D print one, and there's a few people that have put it on Thinkercad, no, what was it, Thingiverse, something like that, and we're going to check out a couple of designs and see how it prints. Okay, so first off, let's look at this guy's. This is his Thingiverse site, and so I want to give him some props. Hopefully it worked out for me. This is what it looks like on the printer bed. So you can go to, is it working? Okay. So basically you can get an overall picture of it. So it has these little tabs here that will lock into place, and this will fit the entire gimbal. So it should look like that. So that little tab that was sticking out, this part here, is going to be underneath. Okay, so this is the gimbal cover for the Spark, and I think it's basically the same design, but this person went to Tinkercad and adjusted a few things. I think it's even possible to have a logo on it. So let me go back real quick. Again, I'm using Peak 3D software, which is just basically made on Java. But let me see, open, and let's see what the logo looks like. Okay, so I guess you can 3D print the logo and then glue that on. Probably should do it in a different color, or maybe not. Yeah, so maybe in the future I can print the logo and put it on the front. So the 3D printer that I'm using at the moment is Hamlet desktop 3D printer. It's their latest version. I do think that there was a beta version that came out first. I haven't done a full review of it, but I do have it in a few of my videos where I printed things for my other drones. It's solid. I'm still using the red color because I want to test it out first, and then I'll probably make I'll reprint it again and print it in black or green or something like that, so it will match the drone. Okay, so let's get started with this print. was a pretty easy print. I just had to sand it a little bit in order for it to fit underneath. As you can see, it covers all the sensors that are up here, and then there's these two little tabs, right? These two little tabs that fit into the how do I do this? Yeah, it fits right in around the camera. Camera's not being hurt in any way, and it goes around the gimbal here and into these slots that are on the side here. I did have to wiggle these a little bit because this is ABS plastic that I used to print with, and it was a bit rigid, so I just, you know, wiggled these little notches, and it was able to fit really well. So props up to this guy. I will leave his link in the description so you can print it. He also has a version where you can put a logo on it. So on this part here, I think I'm just going to leave it rigid like that. This is the raft, and I kind of just did a quick little sanding, not really, just to smooth out the edges. I do plan to use a different color for this drone, possibly green, right, since I have the green version of it. So I just wanted to make sure that it would print well, and it did, and so I'll be printing with green filament when it comes in. So if you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and more videos to come.